Sure.
What are you expecting tonight from this movie?
A good film is Kumar Mangal's film. He's launching his daughter. It's such a big thing. I was once a newcomer, so I know how it is. I want to wish them all the best of luck, and I'm sure Kumarji will make a great film, and Anil Devgan as well. So wish everybody good luck.
Exactly, what a debutant goes through this state of mind. So what do you like to say to these newcomers?
I know I've been there myself not long ago, 2 years ago. Just wish them the best of luck. It's good that more actors are coming through, lots of newcomers, and it's only good for the industry. So I can just wish them best of luck.
There are so many actors coming into industry, suddenly. So what do you think the competition is?
No, I think it's a good thing because there's so many makers, and I think there's space for everybody. If I can come from London and make space for myself, it's fantastic that more people can come. And it's good because everybody's getting younger, so nice time for the new generations.
But that becomes tough to survive in this industry.
I don't think so. I think it's time for the new generation to come, the younger boys and younger girls to come in, and I like to see myself as part of the younger lot. So I think it's good.
To boost up their spirit?
Well, I think this film is enough to boost up their spirits. Now let's see what the box office says.
Thank you so much, Upen.